And now back to the studio with Brenda Serber for some water preparedness tips.
Thank you, Brandy. We've had several people call the studios asking questions about water. Now, we're going to go ahead and give you some simple math equations to help you determine, well, how much water do I need? We don't need people overbuying. There's been a run on water. So we're going to start off with 10 bottles of water. We're going to take a look at these charts and graphs and see if the 10 bottles of water is enough or do we need more on this segment called How Much Water Will I Need? Well, starting off with 10 bottles, the human body is composed of 60% water. If you break that down organ by organ, you'll notice that the brain and the heart are coming in at 73% water. The lungs are hovering at an 83, skin coming in at 64. The muscles and kidneys are right around a 79, and the bones come in with a 31% of water. All right, well, what does that mean for me, Brenda? Well, that means you're going to be doing some simple math to figure out how many bottles are you going to need. First, you're going to take the percentage of your body weight. Okay, we're going to do a little bit of division. You're going to take your age. It's going to be easier if you put your age over 100 and turn it into a fraction. Then you're going to be multiplying the current year when dividing with your birth year. Take those two numbers. You're going to go ahead and get the product of this. You're going to have a quotient here. You're going to come down. You're going to use your slope-intercept form. Okay, so a lot of us remember what the slope-intercept form is. It is y equals mx plus b. So with the results from that math, you're already going to see that you're going to get rid of 1, 2, 3 bottles. Don't need it. Now we are down to 7 bottles of water. All right, so next we're going to move on. We're going to move on to our Cartesian product. And we all remember what the Cartesian product. Who remembers what that is? It is the set of all possible ordered pairs composed of elements taken from 2 sets good. Yes, and we're going to notice what that does is that puts us in the blue zone right here. All right, so the blue zone. You're asking yourself, well, if I'm in the blue zone, how is that going to help me? Well, if your numbers turn up in the blue zone, you can automatically get rid of another bottle of water, putting you at 6. So now we have 6 bottles of water. And what we're going to be using now is we're going to be using complex number. Complex number, for those of us remember, right? It is a number of the form of what? Of a plus bi, where a and b are real numbers and I is the square root of -1 good. That's right. So you're going to go ahead and take the results from that math equation and you're going to see the results. Now, if your results are less than 72, you're going to go ahead and you're going to want to add another bottle to our remaining 6. If your results are greater than and or equal to 72, then no action will be required. So we hope that using these simple math equations can eliminate all the water worry that we've been experiencing with phone calls in the studio lately. So go ahead, if you did buy extra water, store it in a clean, dry place. Don't put it in direct sunlight. You can donate it, or you can help out your neighbors if you did buy too much. All right, we're going to send it back into the field with Brandy Ferguson.
All right, thanks, Brenda Serber.